if we have any callers.
I need a makeover, and I need it now!
Get off the phone!
Mom! I need to go! What?
Get off the phone!
There's something in my hair!
Get off the phone!
I'm calling again!
Get off the phone!
Oh, I don't know where to put it now.
No, you said like, I found my brush.
I found my brush! I'll keep it there for later. It's raining. It was my house! Mrs. Madison, send me a picture! Okay, hold on.
This should be good.
Oh my gosh, you need help! Here's my beautiful look! You're gorgeous! I know, right? You help me? Yeah, you totally need help. Bye! Where do I meet you? You're gonna come and help me!
Get off the phone!
Shut up, Mom!
Now!
Ever since you were a little girl, you always talked on that phone! Well, you're the one that got me one! It was your father! Well, when he left, why didn't you get rid of it? Put your brush away! Shut up! Don't tell me to away my phone! Stay off the phone! No, you stay off the phone! You need a boyfriend! I just got dumped.
I don't know why.
I see why. Well, I see why Dad left you. It's because of you. It's because of you. It's because of you. You paid me to come with him. Why do you want me to leave? Excuse her.
I'm sorry with my stench.
She needs a makeover. I need a makeover. Dad, you need a makeover.
perfectly fine.
It's her makeover, and she needs a now.
It's my makeover and I need it now.
So does she.
I don't need it, she does.
She needs it more.